it in the correct nail spot. So I want to show you the correct nail spot is going to be this line right here. This is where it's going to actually seal as well. On top of that, let me check. This one might be a little bit different. Nope, that's correct. That's the correct nail spot. We're going to nail on this zone right here. When we're nailing it, we need to nail perpendicular to the nailing surface. So perpendicular is like this, not like this, not like this. You're going to see I'm going to want to go in like this because I don't want to lift these shingles up very much. However, I have to follow manufacturer guidelines. It doesn't matter the degree I'm lifting it at, as long as I'm lifting it high enough to get the nail line. So let me lift this up. There we go. First thing, I get this just to show you the degree that we need to have it lifted. So I like to take a photo whenever I'm lifting these shingles. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do, just to show you where amount of clearance. The other thing I need to make sure is I'm not chipping the top of the shingle, because that's normally what's gonna happen. And you can tell that this thing is brittle. If I barely touch it, I am going to tear that shingle apart. Right, let me take a photo. I'm gonna actually flip this camera around. Don't want to see my face. I know I'm ugly. All right, first things first, I want to lift this shingle to show you where the nail line is. I want to show you, flip this back, that we've got tinting already. This is not good. This basically just means, oh gosh, please don't show my face. It's a fail already. We're gonna tear this shingle up because of the tinting. I can't imagine what we're going to see. All right, so I can stop the video here, but I'm gonna also, it looks like I'm going to need to lift it about 60 degrees ish for the clearance of that shingle. All right, so let's start. Lift it a little bit higher. All right, gotta pull it back a little bit. There we go. Let me get this corner first. I've got tinting. Jeez, I don't even know I'm taking the photos anymore. Take off the flash. Let's see how many they're doing. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Oh my gosh, so sorry. Here we go. chipped a little bit on the top. That's what I'm talking about with the chipping. If we lift any lower, we're gonna just destroy this shingle. Why is that one so hard? All right, need to get these ones in. Again, tenting. Shingle 7. Shingle 7. I'm so sorry. These videos are way longer than I ever want them to be. You see this art, so I don't have to lift the shingle up higher than I need to. Beautiful. Doobie doobie dooba. Again, tenting, you can see how low can you go. Shingle 7. Wow, that was not English. All right. There we go. Oh, I'm gonna take a photo of that too. Jeez, dude. I'm so sorry, Rodney. Oh my gosh. 7. Very bad fail. I'm not trying to hit it. I'm just trying to prevent the tenting, but there's nothing I can do. It's just, it doesn't matter how skilled you are at repairing this, it still causes damage. Jeez, you see this gift? I'm like trying to push up like that so I don't have to lift it up as high. Last one. Whoop. Hoppa. See, I'm sacrificing my finger for you, Rodney. Dang it. I need to pull that one out. I use a different hole. There we go. We are done. You're done. All right, so I just want to show the next thing we do is we have this control area here. This is pointless, but I want to show you. We have some granule loss. I'm assuming this is going to be a lot. Nope. No, granule loss pretty good. Now I do want to show you, I'll go through, these areas because I want to see if there's any creasing on the top here. It doesn't even matter because we've got tenting already. Barely touching it. Because what we want to do is dislodge so we can actually see if it's creased. You can see these creased areas showing up very clearly. It looks like it's on the top part of the shingle. I want to just dislodge these just so we can see, basically just mimicking wind. Yeah, you can clearly see the creases on 7 is just absolutely destroyed with the creasing and tenting. You can also see that with 6 as well, 5 as well over here. This is a 100% a failed repair attempt. Very unusual for us to get. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, this is the sealant. So I'm gonna say number 1. We're gonna go with number 1. Let's see, number 2. There doesn't seem to be material transfer number 2. So we're gonna mark 1. Very rare to get a 4 out of 7 on this. Oops, that's a 4 out of 7. This is a fail. We cannot perform the repair. I'm literally just damaged that shingle. It's ridiculous. Fail 100%. There's no questions about it. So I'm gonna stop this video, take a few more photos. And it was recording good.